Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by verifying essentials. Make sure the file isn't marked read only and that OneDrive or SharePoint sync is complete. This prevents remote locks. Once done, close every PowerPoint window and reboot the app or the PC to remove stale locks and temporary files. Next, open PowerPoint and use File right arrow open right arrow, select the File drop-down right arrow open and repair. If that fails, import slides into a new blank presentation to rescue editable content and reset corrupt settings. If basics don't work, you must isolate extensions and program-level problems. Start PowerPoint in safe mode by holding Control to disable add-ins. You'll see if an add-in blocked editing. If safe mode restores editing, disable or update the offending add-in. If not, run Office Repair via Control Panel or Settings and choose Online Repair for a thorough fix. Meanwhile, check file system permissions and any antivirus or backup tools that might lock the file. Make sure you have full NTFS write access. To finish, first secure your content. Save a copy as PPTX and export a PDF or slide images to avoid data loss. Then rebuild in a fresh file, copy slides, recreate master layouts, and reapply templates. This removes hidden corruption. If formatting or editing rights still fail, try opening the file under a different Windows user or on another device to determine if the issue is environment-specific. If that isolates the problem, reset your user profile or reinstall Office. This usually results.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.